Hey, this is Cam with Blacktail Studio. Just finished up my 4x8 feet rolling workbench. Finished it with a 3/4 inch MDF top with this festool style 20mm hole grid drilled in it. Super happy about everything. Only problem is MDF. And the problem with MDF is I once had it described to me as having the water resistant properties of a graham cracker, which is pretty accurate. So I wanted a simple finish that wasn't going to take days to dry and require a lot of sanding. So here's the video of how I got that finish. Enjoy.
So I like to keep these videos as short as I can for your benefit. So all I'm really doing is putting 3 coats of shellac on this MDF, and there's going to be some more details in there, but that is the gist of it. You'll see here I'm doing the first coat with a de-wax shellac, and I ended up switching partway through this first coat to a regular shellac. Neither one of them really matter for this first coat. For the final two, I did want to use a regular shellac, so it gives a little bit of stain resistance. That shiny layer will help repel some of the stains from grease and glue and anything else I get on there. I should mention, the main reason I like shellac is that it takes about 5 minutes between coats, opposed to like an Armaseal that they actually say 48 hours between coats. You need a minimum of 3 coats. So that's my favorite reason for shellac. Between coats, I sanded really lightly with a sanding sponge, wiped it off with a microfiber towel, which is a really nice tool for getting dust off. Again, just brushing it on, nothing too fancy here. So here it is after 3 coats of shellac on the MDF, and I wasn't aiming for a piece of fine furniture, but it can turn out as nice as you want to make it. I did want to show a quick test, and this is just regular wood glue on the sealed and unsealed MDF. Wiped off really easily on the sealed. The unsealed, if this was water or something thinner, it would have been a lot more dramatic, but you can see how quickly it soaks in there. So all in all, I would call it a success. About 3 months after I made this video, but before I was done editing, I had some dried epoxy on this table, and I wanted to show how easily that flaked off of this shellac finish. Okay, that's my video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more just like it. Thanks for watching.